It says.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's see.
I got
this
to
come
the
off?
water
Oh,
first. I got to the water.
you know what I might. Well, we're gonna have to take that off.
You got to put up there, please. You got to put up like that.
Yeah, we have to get the water from inside the closet in the front. The gallon water.
Where's the gallon water?
It's in the front hall closet. So let me see. Okay. Make sure the float is secure. And I'm assuming this is the float.
I got this water tank.
Where's the water?
I'm talking about this water tank first. I gotta put it. I was talking about that water tank. That's a certain yeah. Recording now. I'm just stop for like this. Too different.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, we need to get water for that.
I got the water right there.
And we gotta get the water for in here. Okay, let's get the water. We gotta get the gallon of water.
I got it right there.
Oh, you did get it. Okay. All right.
Alright.
All right. Just pour it in there.
Yeah.
All right. Whoa! Oh my God, this water. Oh, come on. Okay, it says the max is right there, so you fill it up right to this line right there. It says max.
What? Spicy.
Mm-hmm. Whoa! Okay, so, I mean, this is a gallon. And did not fill up all the way to the max line. That's okay. Look at your fish. What? So cool. Okay. And then put this on it.
How's it?
It goes on like this. Okay. And then this goes out here. And then the water will go down. Yep. It's going down. It's going into the tank. And then this will plug in. And we can start it. Should we plug it in right here to see how it works?
Yeah.
All right.
It's like a flow.
Okay, get down, please.
Yeah.
Really quick. Here, let's move it over. Excuse me. Thank you. All right. Now let's see. Let's see. It's on. Oh, nice. Look at that. It's pretty good. Okay, so I think that's on high. Okay, that's low. Medium. And high. Wow, this is really nice, actually. And then you can move these to the direction. And then there's a night light, I think. Oh, no, this is the light here. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so it has two settings. That's bright, medium, and then off. I'm not exactly sure what that is. We'll find out. Nice. What do you think? It's good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my review for the Dreo Cool Mist Humidifier. We absolutely love this thing. We just got it today. I went through the manual to figure out how to clean it. That's like a pet peeve of mine. I have to learn how it works before I even use it. It has this, oh my gosh. It has this night light. That's a highlight. Then you can dim it to low. Then you can turn it off. Or you can just press night. It turns everything down, including the mist. But you can always turn it back up. And you can definitely see the mist when it's coming out. I'll show you with a folder. Look at that. Like, look at that. That way you know your machine is working. I've had this on for about, I don't know what time it came, like about 3 hours ago, and it still has this much water, but I love this thing. It also looks really pretty at night. Let me get this light off. What are you doing? Eating the mint? My son loves the blue, and he loves to watch that. But this is really pretty. Let's see what it looks like dim. That's dim. Oops, I can't see. But anyway, this is pretty. And it does its job.
Cool. What a beautiful device, humidifier. You have the power on, levels 1, 2, and 3. And then you have the night. It'll turn off. So we're going to turn it back on. Put it back on level 3. And this is the light. As you can see, smoke coming up. I will recommend to anyone. That's high. That's low. And it has the light, and it's blue. It's all I use for night light at night. Then you can turn just a regular light on, or turn the blue off. It's nice and big. There's a fill line, and actually this holds me for 2 straight nights, for 10 to 11 hours each night before I have to fill it again, which is way more than I ever got out of other ones. And I love how much actually comes out. Look at that. And I love this slot. It's not just a little hole. Definitely recommend this. Love it.
Hey guys, so I was looking for a humidifier for my 8-year-old's room. He's been having some trouble with his nose. So I've been looking for something to kind of put in his room to help with that. So I kind of did my research and I ended up with this one. This one has been amazing for him and helped him in a bunch of different ways, not just with his nose. But I wanted to kind of share with you guys that I got this. Product is awesome. This is just the low setting. As you guys can see, I can also turn it up. It's got it's got the night light in it. You know, it's got the timer, got lights. So just kind of wanted to do a video and show you guys this amazing humidifier.
This humidifier is great. You can turn it on. It starts off on low. You have medium and high. There's also a light feature with 2 settings. And then there's a nighttime feature where it dims the lights and turns it down low. It's easy to refill from the top. It's also easy to clean with no hidden compartments.
It is so foggy in my room. This is wonderful.
Current setting is on high. This is low. It is a very fine micro mist. This is medium.
Love it. Only got it on the second setting. But works like a charm. Just gotta clean it up once a month. That's about it.
My office is finally humidified.